That pisses me off. I told somebody they could come back here and shoot, and they leave their shit on the ground. Why can't you let people do stuff and they go out and have a good time and they pick up all their crap and they go home? Instead of leaving their shit like this on the ground where you got to pick it up when
They're
you
not
come
Boy
out here.
Scouts.
Huh?
They're not Boy Scouts.
I ain't fucking doing it. That's the thing. They just won't use my land no more.
Yeah. Do you think they just fell off?
They're there. Either way, I don't care. Why it's there, and that is probably one of my faults because I am one of those guys. I don't care why. I just care that that's where it is. Why is that so though?
Because it doesn't matter why.
I've been a business owner my whole life. Me giving a customer an excuse why I didn't do something, they don't care why I didn't do it. You didn't do it. You're
Right.
fired. You
Right.
didn't do this. This is what the repercussions are. None of this shit is mine. I mean, all this stuff here, people, that kind of stuff is stuff that just irritates me. I am not an excuse guy. I don't want to hear your excuses of why you didn't do it, did do it. I don't care.
That's intentional.
I mean, is it what you were supposed to do or not what you were supposed to do or whatever?
Is that a fishing pole?
Huh?
There's a fishing pole. There's no lake here.
No, they were using it just to target practice.